Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 10 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and security, and go to lock screen password. As you can see right here, we've got three types of choices: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Let's start with numeric, and we are going to use each one of those choices to unlock the phone. Now enter your 6-digit, 4-digit and 4 to 16 digits password. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric password containing 4 to 16 letters and digits. Now, let's go to pattern and draw your pattern by connecting at least 4 dots. When it's done, we can go back and enter face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. And now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to fingerprint. And simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.